Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a 3D shape. The first thing we need to do is to add a parameter in the create canvas. So after the width and the height, I am going to put a comma and write WebGL, and then I am going to make my first 3D shape, which is a box, and I am going to give it the parameters of width, height and the depth. And now I'm going to run my code, and I can see a box appearing, but it's not looking like a 3D box. And as you can see that the origin is also changed. It's not in the top left hand corner, now it's in the middle. So the WebGL, the origin changes to the center, so the 0 0 is in the middle. To make this box look more like a 3D shape, I need to make the variable of angle, and I have to give it 0 at first, and then at the end I need my angle to be increasing by 0.03. To make this now run, is there any change? No, because the angle needs to be put inside the rotate function. So in WebGL, when we use the rotate function, we use the x, y and z axis separately. We define that, and then we can use it, and we can move it in those axes. So for moving in the x axis, I am going to write rotate x, and inside the rotate x function I am going to give the angle. So the angle keep changing, and when I run the program, now you can see the box is rotating. In the same way, if I just copy the same rotate x, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to say that now going to move it in rotate y. I'm going to comment the rotate x angle, and I'm going to run the program. Now the box is rotating in the y axis. In the same way, if I comment this y and I want it to rotate in the z axis, so I'm going to write z, and I'm going to run the program, and now the box is rotating in the z. The next thing we can do is, let's try all the three axes. Sometimes we want to make the box rotate in 2 axes or 3 axes. So let's do first 2 axes. So I'm going to use the y and the z axis, uncomment the y axis rotation, and let's play and see. Now the box is rotating like this in the y and the z. If I open the x also, then it will rotate more in different directions. Now you can see it's going in the x, y and the z axis. Now our 3D box is appearing. Now let's give it a color. So let's say in the 3D shape, the very easy way of giving any 3D shape color is to write normal material. If I write normal material in the camel case, and I run the program, now you can see the box is appearing in, got all the 3 different shades and different colors on every single side of it, and is giving it more of a 3D shape. Now if I want to make any other shape, like for example, let's make a torus. The torus also takes 3 parameters in it. So the first is the width of the torus, so let's say it's 80, and let's say the height of the center point of it is 30, thickness of it is 30, and the glass is the edges the torus should get. So it's got a value between range between 0 to 24, so I'm giving it a maximum range of 24, so it appears more in a circular form like a donut. So when I run this program, you can see the torus is appearing, and it's appearing around the, it can be more better if I just increase the width of it. So let's make it 100 as well, and let's see now. Now you can see it's a little bit away. We can increase more to 120, and yes, more like it. So this way we can make our 3D shapes. There are other 3D shapes also which we can make, so let's do that in the next video. Well then, bye.